Everybody go, go, go. That's right. Can I hear your voice this evening? Sing, let's go. Sing, give me up. May my light never be dim. Keep me burning, keep me burning. Till the coming of the King. A very simple song. Give me oil, give me oil. May my light never be dim, yeah. Keep me burning, keep me burning. Till the coming of the King. One more time, give me oil in my lamp, yeah. That's right, that's right. Is that your earnest prayer tonight? Till the coming of the King. Sing, let's go, everybody. Sing,
The day you stop being a solution to a problem, that's the day you become a liability. When you are a husband, you can't solve a problem. You're a wife, you can't solve a problem. There's no problem that you solve. You will not be recognized. If you're not a solution in your house, you can't be a solution outside. If you don't solve problem, you can't be celebrated.
At all.
You can't be favored. Many people who are favored are problem solvers. Great men are problem solvers. They solve problem. No matter how rich you are, you need somebody's help.
Experience Sunday service at SOTCCOAN every Sunday at 7 a.m. GMT +1 live on Privilege TV.